guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nina. If you're new here, please subscribe and join the family. It really does help me out. I'm doing a jewellery video unboxing today with a brand called ROBUR. I think it's pronounced O or maybe OPRES ROBUR. This is the little box it came in. These were kindly gifted to me, so I just want to say a quick thank you for collaborating with me. So these are like the little gift boxes. They're like so cute. I've never seen like little boxes like this before. So I love this. I'm just going to quickly bring up their website and Instagram so you can have a look. So I'll just put it here on the screen. This is the new in piece they have, which is gorgeous. This one is also very pretty. And they have like this chunky one. And also it was seen on Kalani, which is pretty cool. She wears the rings and the bracelets. Like, there she is. She's so gorgeous. So I love the little boxes. They're like little triangular boxes, so you just open them like this. And it just like opens like this, which I think is really cool. So you get a little card in your order, OPRES, and a certificate of authentication, and it's signed and checked, and the serial numbers on it and everything. And they come in these little cute bags. So I picked out these pair of earrings. They also kindly gifted me another set of earrings and an ear cuff, which I think is pretty cool. I've never had an ear cuff, so it'll be like nice to try out. So I got the clear princess hoops, which I'm going to show you and pop them on. I picked up these cute little princess hoops, and it's just like an open clasp like this, so they just like slot right in and open. Oh, I love these. They're just these little princess hoops. They're so pretty. I love them. I'll just put the other one in. I love the clasp. It's so like easy to just do. They are gorgeous. Oh, I love them. I also got the clear stone Hookies, which are pretty cute also. These are a bit smaller than these ones, but I do have my second lobe pierced, so I'm gonna pop them both in. These are like a little eye gem nearly, like an oval gem. It looks like a little eye. And these are just smaller Hookies, but they open the same. Like this, which I think are really cute and easy to just pop in. That's two of them together. I think they go so well together. I do have like up here pierced, which I need to like get new balls for because they're kind of ugly. But I love them. They're so cute. They were super easy to put in, but this one's like a little eye gem nearly, and then this one is the princess hoop, which are so cute. I also have up there pierced, which I need to get nicer like balls for. These ones are handcrafted from luxury 18 karat gold vermeil, 18 karat gold plated sterling silver with fine Austrian stones, perfect for stacked curated ear looks. Like I said, I've got like the two holes, so like you can stack them. You can also get like different colored ones. They have ones with like blue gems, green gems, which are pretty cool. And then I also got this little cuff. It's like a diamond cuff, which I've never had a cuff. They're pretty cool. So I've just put the cuff there, which is really cool. Oh, I want to get loads more piercings now. It looks like a conch piercing, which is pretty cool. I also did have my tragus done twice, and once I had an operation, I had to take it out, and it closed up, and then I got it done again. I think it fell out and I couldn't get it back in. But I want to get that redone and change them balls. Okay, my ear's a bit red now, but ignore it. So the ear cuff is the clear stone ear cuff. It's the same luxury 18 karat gold vermeil, so it's gold plated sterling silver. You can also get these in different colours. Ooh, wow. Makes me want to get more piercings. Oh, that pink one's really cute. They do also have a any 2 for 1 code, so 2 for 1. And they do have a like 3 for £55 deal, so you get like 3 things. £55, like I think they're rings. Wow. Like this ring looks gorgeous. Ooh, with the matching bracelet. So love them. I'll leave the names of all the bits I got down in the description bar, so if you want to get the same one you can. Okay, so moving on to the little second box. Like, I've never seen a packaging like that, so fair play on your packaging. It's pretty cool. Get 2 more little certificates, just so you know what they are, obviously. So open the little bag, and then this one I picked out, which I think is gorgeous. It's this like gold cuff, which is amazing, but it like screws, like this screws out, which this is what like they're known for. So you just unscrew it like this. So I've just popped this on so you can see how gorgeous it is. I like the idea like that this can't come off unless obviously you unscrew it. So you won't lose it. It's a pretty cool idea, and I just love the shape of it. Like, I love chunky gold bracelets. Obviously the fine dainty ones are cute too, but I love the style of this. And they do it in silver and rose gold if you're not into gold, but I love gold and silver, so not really a fan of rose gold. I prefer gold or silver. So this one is the gold screw cuff bracelet. The gold screw cuff bracelet is a beautifully unique design, includes the finest and purest of materials, crafted from a unique gold titanium blend, finished in a thick, non-fading 24 karat yellow gold plating. So what's good about this is it doesn't obviously tarnish, so if you like leaving your jewellery on, I usually take my jewellery off, shower or whatever, or if I get into water, I don't know, I just do. Yeah, they do a chunkier version of this, which is also gorgeous. I'm in love with it. And I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but it is stamped there in the back. I really like this one. I just think it's funky. Also got another one which they kindly gifted me. This one's like in little tissue paper. Okay, this one is gorgeous. This is like the newest one they've brought out. It's got all the like diamonds on top. And then this one's like a thin flat band, because this one's more round and this one's like flat. This one also does have a stamp in the back and a little tag, which I'm just gonna pull this tag off. But yeah, I just think this one is also so gorgeous. This is their new edition. I hope you like my nails. My mum did my nails for Valentine's. They're just little hearts. And I like my nails like really long, like my mom does my nails, so I'm so used to having long nails. If anyone wants to know how I live with long nails, I'm just so used to them, so don't worry about it. I just think this one's gorgeous, and you just like squeeze it and it like unclicks out just like that. So obviously you can stack these, you could have one each hand. I just love the little bling bling shimmer to it. But yeah, you can stack them, you can obviously wear whatever hand you want. I just think I need to get a nice gold watch now to match this, so I can stack them, and I think it'll be so gorgeous with a nice new gold watch. Yeah, so that one is their newest one they've brought out, the gold signature bangle, which I think is gorgeous. It's just so pretty. Wow. Also, you can get that one in silver if you prefer silver. Yeah, so this is like the same like omega symbol shape, so symbolizing an increment of great development, which is pretty cool. Handcrafted from luxury steel, finished in a thick non-fading 18 karat gold plating, completed with 78 fine micro set Austrian crystals along the top bar. So this is the same as the last one. It doesn't fade either, so you can leave them on, which I just love because I don't want to take them off, they're so pretty. So luxury, 18 karat gold, non-fading and 100% waterproof, which is a big statement and is really good. So suitable for sensitive skin also, and a lifetime design warranty. So it's designed for everyday wear and is complete with a lifetime design warranty because it's not meant to fade. So wow, I just love them, especially together. They're gorgeous. So that was everything I got. I'm so happy with all the little pieces. I want to get my thirds done now. get a little stud maybe. But I'm actually obsessed with these bracelets, like, I'm sorry, but they're just gorgeous. Thick gold bracelets, call my name. So thank you to OPRES for working with me and gifting me these pieces. I'm absolutely in love with them, like no joke. I love every piece, and I can just tell like they're going to be lifetime pieces. Obviously they don't wear, they don't tarnish, so thank you so much for gifting me these items. And yeah, I hope you guys love the pieces too. I will link down below the website and each item I got if you want the same ones as me. But I'm just like absolutely in love. Like I want everything now, like they're just so beautiful. Wow, obsessed. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's just Nina May Williams. I hope you guys are liking my uploads recently. Thank you guys so much for watching.